Carbon monoxide poisoning at a daycare center. It sickened more than 24 people, mostly children, in Allentown today. Emergency crews responded to a 911 call for an unconscious child. Eventually, 27 children and workers were hospitalized.
We got that alert on the air monitor, and they immediately decided to check for CO, and they found very high levels, and the evacuation started immediately.
There were 25 children, 8 adults in the daycare at the time. Those who were not sent to the hospital were treated at a nearby triage operation.